Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. I hope you're all doing really great out there. I know it's been a hot minute. I have not been making any videos for a while now, and that's because I built a new art studio, which I'm sitting in right now. I thought it'd be fun to give you a little tour of my new space. It is in my backyard. It's so cute. It looks like a little house, and we're actually putting in a pool in our yard too. So once that is finished, it's taken forever, but once that is finished in the summer, it's going to be awesome. I can be out here painting and then go take a dip. But I will show you the outside as well, but I'm going to show you the inside because I don't know who I think I am, but I am so organized in here. I can't even believe it. It's like I have everything's labeled, everything's in its place, easy access to everything. I took my time setting it up. My old art studio was in my home in a spare bedroom, and it was crowded and just not organized at all, not conducive to creating at all. It was dark, lighting was bad. I have beautiful lighting in here. I can't tell you, I am so excited. So yeah, so my plan is to try to get back into making some videos for you guys, some resin art, some acrylic pouring, or whatever else I decide to do, and just, take you along with me. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera around, show you the inside, show you how organized I am. And yeah, I'm excited to be back, and I hope you're all doing great. Here we go. So here it is. I'm standing at the front door. So you walk in, and this is the space. I have actually, it's heated and cooled, so you have to have that. I mean, it's 20 degrees out right now, so I couldn't even work out here, but it feels good. I have all my paints organized. These are all the color art pigments, prism pours. I bought these little racks off of Amazon. I'll link them below for you if you're interested, because they are great because you can see all your colors. All my bins labeled of all my golden paints, my prism pours, and all the other kinds of paints I use. My mica powders. There's a drying rack, a curing rack. I have this beautiful table that my 94-year-old father built me. He's amazing. It's amazing. I have all my shelves with all my ceramic dishes and my cutting boards, all my paints all organized and color coded. I have my alcohol inks. Yeah. So I couldn't be any happier right now. So yeah, and you can see outside there's the pool area, not done, and it's taken forever, but it'll get done. It'll get done. Everything will get done. So yeah, up here I had the builder actually put in these little loft areas so I could have some storage for all my bigger items, and then up there all my canvas. Yeah, I know, it looks like a little store. It's the first time I've actually gotten to work out here, so I'm very excited. Yeah, there's the door. I painted the door a pretty turquoise blue, and this is the latest mosaic surfboard that I've been working on. Actually, I just have to grout it. I'm finished, but this is gonna be for our house, our pool area. Yeah, it came out pretty cool. So here's the outside. Obviously, it's not finished yet. We're gonna do some landscaping around it. But how cute is it? And there's our pool, our frozen pool. It will be nice, it will be. But that's my art studio. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this little tour of my new space. I'm getting pumped to bring you some new content, hopefully in the next few months, and get back into it, because now that I've got this space, there's no reason for me to not be creative, and might as well film it and show you guys, and have you come along with me. All right, guys, have a great one, and I'll talk to you all real soon. Bye-bye.